Hi, Michelle here from StrawBearie.com, and today I'm going to show you how you can transform your regular purse into an anti-theft purse and keep yourself safe when you're out and about.
This is a very shortened and condensed version of this video. For the full video, please check out my new travel channel, Paper Maps. The link is in the description.
The first thing is picking which purse you're going to use. My best recommendation would be a small crossbody purse that you can wear. You want to keep that purse part in the front of your body, not slung over the back side where you can't reach it, but towards the front. And you want to keep your zipper compartments, especially the ones that have your important stuff in it, on the side closest to your body. I can still grab hold of it and just kind of rest my hand here and hold it here, and that's going to deter people from, having to move your hand to open up the purse. It has zippers. It's got two zippers. It has a removable shoulder strap. My strap can unhook. So all I'm going to do is take the hook that hooks my strap onto the purse, and I'm going to hook it through the loop on that zipper. And now I can't get it open more than an inch because it's hooked to the strap, which is hooked to the body of the purse. So this is a binder ring. And you open it by pushing and pulling, pushing them apart and then pulling it open. So I can take this binder ring and I can stick it through the loop on the zipper, and then I can stick it around the strap and I can close it. And that is going to hold that zipper so that you can't open it. So the next way you can make your purse theft-proof is super simple. You take a safety pin, just a normal, ordinary safety pin, and you're going to stick it through the zipper. Now, if you don't have, big loops outside your zipper, usually where the zipper attaches, there's a loop of some kind. So you stick it through there, and then stick it through your strap. Voila! You're not going to be able to open this more than like an inch. If you want more of a long-term solution, you can buy a clasp, like from a jewelry clasp. This one's kind of big. You could buy an even smaller one and a jump ring. And you're going to open up that jump ring, stick it through the clasp, stick it through the zipper. You can use your pliers, and you can have a permanent thing. Until next time, I hope that you find joy in the journey of this great adventure called life. Toodles.
Please go check out the full version of this video at Paper Maps.